Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Wes, the Average Trainer, and you're watching another episode of Wes Opens. In this episode, I am opening up this Blizzard Entertainment Cute But Deadly Series 1 figure, ages 15 plus. Very important. Nobody 14 and under, please. The reason I'm opening this is because I got it in a loot crate months and months ago, and I couldn't sell it. And I don't know anything really about Blizzard games, but I figured, hey, let's open it up, see what we got. So right away, pretty cool looking box. It's got figures on it. Those are all the potential ones you can get in this box, or a Loot Crate exclusive. I don't know. Maybe that's what it is in here. I've never opened it. So you got these cool little highlighted figure layout character things, and the logo on top, and on the bottom it tells you about Blizzard, A couple different languages, just in case you don't speak English. But let's go ahead and open the box itself. As you can see, I have not opened this box before, so this is going to be news to you and me. Of course, my box opening skills are negative 100, so let's try to get this. Aha! There it is. Okay. Let's take a break from that. All right. Different logos. I'm not sure what those are, but I'm assuming it has to do with like Warcraft and all that. And then right here, a silver, almost like a space wrap box of sorts. Nothing else in the box. Goodbye, box. Almost looks like the packages of space ice cream you get. But nothing really interesting to me since I've never, played this game. All right, that's a little tab. Let's open it up. All right, it's open. Countdown. 3, 2, 1, and it's somebody. Is there anything else in there? I'll explain it. Nope. It's somebody. Let's set that down real quick. Get this little base out so we can have it standing up on its own. Here we go. See, it's hard to watch my camera and what's happening in real life at the same time. Why isn't this opening? That was embarrassing. But there's the base. Okay, let's connect the little foot part right here. As you can see, there's a little hole right there for the foot to sit on. This reminds me of the Gashapon figures I got in Korea. So, oh, wow, that's stable. Well, there you have it. It's kind of Medusa-like, but it's also kind of like a mutant tree thing. Not actually sure what this is, but hey, it's a thing. Oh wait, maybe the box says. Okay, hold on. The box says this is Kerrigan, 6 out of 36. So common then, since these ones are like 1 out of 36. So you can't get them easily, but this is one of the common ones. So, okay, not the best thing in the world, but it's neat, I guess. So yeah, there you have it. That's the Blizzard Entertainment Cute But Deadly Series 1 figure. I'm not going to be getting any more, obviously, because I have no idea what I'm looking at. So yeah, thank you for watching, and until next time, please stay average. Goodbye.